Welcome back to day 2 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. I'm so proud of you for showing up again. This is how real progress happens, one day at a time. Fluent speaking in English is not magic. It's consistent, daily speaking practice. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Today we focus again on shadowing English with clear, slow sentences. Listen carefully to my intonation and repeat exactly how I say it. Just 10 minutes of English shadowing practice each day can change everything. Your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency will all grow. Remember, this is more than just an English podcast. This is your speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You're moving from A1 to A2, then to B1, and even B2. And yes, advanced English is possible. You are doing it right now. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow in our English podcast for learning English. Your brain needs repetition and rhythm. Shadowing English practice trains both. Just copy, repeat, and feel the flow of real English. Let's speak with confidence and energy today. Feel the power of your voice. If you haven't tried day 1 of the challenge, pause this video and try day 1 first. Each day builds on the last, so don't skip ahead. Remember, this is not a competition. This is your personal journey, your space to grow. This is how you start fulfilling that dream of speaking English with confidence. You've always been there for others. Now, this moment, this 10 minutes, is just for you. So grab a coffee or tea, put your headphones on, take a deep breath, and join the challenge. I'm right here with you every step of the way. Ready? Let's begin. You already know the rules. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Watch the screen for highlighted words. All right, lovely learners, let's begin with sentence 1. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. Brilliant! I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. Awesome! Let's continue. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. Beautiful. Wow! You just completed day 2 of the 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. Give yourself a little pat. You are doing amazing. You are truly wonderful. And I'm really, really proud of you. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime, repeat, and keep practicing. The more you speak, the better your pronunciation will become. Until next time, Keep your energy high, keep smiling, and remember, you can do this. I believe in you. See you tomorrow.